Hey y'all, Anson here. So I got a box in the mail. This is actually from one of my brethren that I was in the Navy with. We were stationed together on one of the mighty warships, Cliff Borgstead. He was gunner's mate. I was fire patrolman. So I kind of know what this is, but um, he said he's going to send a few things. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. Kid scissors, right? Uh, that that knife that I found in the backyard while digging the trench for the power going to the shop. Um, I'm getting that cleaned up. Now I'm gonna get a handle put on it. Gonna shorten it just a little bit so I can put a new tang and then get a handle put onto it. But I need to kind of um, soften the metal so I can drill in the tang to be able to put a pin in a handle. That's just because that's what I like to do. And then I'm gonna start using that knife until I have something better to open up boxes with it. So I can tell this was a homemade box job. This cut a lot of tape. So, because he reached out to me on Instagram, or actually I friended him first on Facebook, just because I know he's a fellow Texas boy like myself. And then we'd also talked a few times on Instagram, right? He's not a blacksmith, just a friend. Something that has always interested him, though. So he just sent me some stuff to play around with, and I think some of it is actually for like blade type work, even though I don't do a whole lot of blade type work, but it's fine. Like I said, I don't mind making blades, but I prefer not to make blades, right? I don't want to be just a blade smith. I want to be an all-around blacksmith. So let's get this opened up. Good old bubble wrap. All right. Always good packing material, right? The suspense is killing me. Let's see what we got. See what we got. My baby's home from school. Hi, baby.
Really?
All right.
Got this.
So we got a lawnmower blade.
Nice.
And it looks like he sent me 3. So there we go. Say hi. He said hi.
I give you a hand. Gonna have to wait for the rest.
I just a couple things that I'm still getting going on that workbench. Part 1 has already been out. Part 2 hopefully will be out this weekend. We've just been busy, right? There's also another project. Gladys went to pick up a bench for our hall. It's going to be a little hall bench where we first come in the house. Place to be able to put shoes and just sit down and do your shoes on, shoes off type thing. And so she's going to be doing a little restoration project on that. All right. Say hi, Tito.
Hi.
And yeah, that's all we got. So please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and I am on Twitter as well. Ivey's Forge in Homestead. And thanks, Cliff. We'll catch you on next one. Later, y'all.